Hi guys, welcome back to I'm Gizmo Geek. Now here I have the PlayStation 5 with me. I've been wanting to buy the PlayStation for a very long time and finally I could buy one. The main reason I wanted to go with the PlayStation over the Xbox is the PlayStation exclusive games, God of War, Uncharted. These are the games I always been dreaming to play. So I was fortunate enough to place the pre-order on Vijay Sales, and Vijay Sales even surprisingly delivered the PS5 on the day one itself, that is Feb 2nd. Now this is the retail box that the PS5 comes with. As you can see, it's very huge. So the box has a handle on the top to easily carry it out, and as it says, it comes with 1 year warranty. So if at all you want to extend the warranty, there are third party options like On-Site Go that costs around 11,500 per year, and it can support 8K, 4K 120 and HDR if your TV supports it. And this is the branding, the PS5 branding. On the side, as you can see, there's nothing much, just the console and the controller. Next up, on the back, you can see over here, it says play like never before. It comes with 825 GB storage, not 1 TB, but it comes with 825, out of which I think around 650 GB will be available for gaming. Now on the other side, we have the product information, that is basically what's inside the box contents. As you can see, it says PlayStation console, wireless controller, base, HDMI cable, AC power cord, USB cable, printed materials, and also Astro's Playroom is pre-installed in the console, so you can easily play. And this is the model number, CF5008A. And other than that, you can see the product information over here. It says the commodity is common. As you can see, it's Russia and India has the common commodity. That's the reason it has Russian on the box, and month and year of import is December 20. So December 2020 it has been already imported to India. The MRP is 49,990 and it's manufactured in China. Now let's quickly unbox it. Let me open the inside box first from the main box so that I can easily remove the contents of the box. Now inside the main box, I have this India Day 1 PS5 consumer. So whoever pre-ordered the PS5 on Jan 12th, or basically after that the restocks whichever surfaced after that, they will all be getting the same box, and they'll be having this India Day 1 PS5 consumer Certificate of Ownership. So basically, considering the scarcity of the product, maybe this is something little to be proud of, I guess. I don't know, it could have been a little more better looking. Now other than that, it has the warranty slip. Now apart from that, there's also a flyer showing the service centers of Sony in India. So in the box, you can see there's another small box. I think this has all the components that other than the console that will be providing. First of all, we have the quick start guide here. Now apart from that, we have the safety guide. See, this is the power cable, the AC adapter. This comes with 2-pin kind of cable or the port. Next we have the stand, the base stand. Basically, if at all you want to place the console either horizontally or vertically, you need to use this stand for proper airflow into the console, for cooling of the console. It's really of good plastic, matte black. Next we have the HDMI, I think 2.1 cable. This is the HDMI 2.1 cable. It has very thick ports actually. If at all you have the HDMI ports very close to each other on your TV, it might be a difficult task to fit it. I don't know what is the reason for that thick part. Next up we have the infamous DualSense controller. It looks amazing. As you can see, it comes in white with black accent. The joysticks are so smooth. I mean, I used the controllers, Xbox controller also with PC, but this feels very unique, I would say, and very smooth. The feedback that we are getting from the triggers and the joysticks. And if you see up closely on the console, there's some pattern on it for better grip, and also the pattern is actually the X, O's and all the symbols that we get on the PlayStation. Now this actually feels really nice. I mean, once I start playing, I think I will be able to know. As you can see, once we press the PlayStation button, it already is trying to pair. The blue light looks really cool. The breathing animation of the light looks really cool. Next up we have the USB cable. It's basically USB Type-C to USB-A cable that can be used for charging the controller or even updating the controller. So here it is, the PS5 console, the tall monster. It has the glossy black in the center and the matte white on both the sides. These are the face plates. And now this is very interesting, the PS symbol. I always thought that it's just a print, but it's actually a cutout inside the face plate, and the black color inside makes it look like it's a print actually. It looks very neat. The glossy center would definitely attract some fingerprints. So on the inside of the faceplate, you can see the Sony branding. On the front, we have the Type A port for connecting the controller or any USB. There's the disc ejector button and the power button at the bottom. On this side, you can see the faceplate, it's very plain. The texture is very similar to what we have seen on the controller also. On the back, you can see the vents. There are USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 LAN port, 1 HDMI port, and the power port. So here's the whole box contents of the PS5 retail packaging. So let me first boot the PS5. There you can see the colors, the blue lights coming out from the PS5. It looks really gorgeous when it's booting up. The breathing animation makes it looks very cool. So you can see the air vents on the side of this also. So I'm using the PS5 with OnePlus TV Q1pro, and the initial impressions were great. It works flawlessly in 4K HDR 60 FPS. The TV automatically switches to game picture mode for reducing any input lag. I find the PS5 interface to be very clean and easy to navigate. With PS5 you get PlayStation Plus collection, which has around 20 games: God of War, Uncharted 4, Batman Arkham Knight. But to play these games, we need to have a PlayStation Plus subscription, which costs around $499 for monthly subscription and around $3,000 if taken yearly. The PS5 supports PS4 games too. So if you have PS4 games in disc or digital formats, you can easily play them on the PS5. But do note that the PS4 controller won't work with the PS5. I played Astro Playroom, which comes pre-installed on the PS5, and this gives the best experience of the DualSense controller. The game is bundled with everything that the controller has to offer. It's definitely something one has to experience and can't be expressed in mere words. I will be playing more games like God of War, Control, Destruction All Stars 2, and share my thoughts. I hope you liked this video. Stay tuned, I'll be posting an in-depth video of my experience with the OnePlus TV Q1pro. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post the video. Ask me anything in the comments and I will surely answer. Take care and bye. Happy gaming.